You have the Wiko. This is the VOIX. Make sure we're talking about the same phone. Has a 3-camera panel design. There we go. You've forgotten your PIN, pattern, or password. No matter what you do, you can't remember it. Let me help you. All right. To bypass your screen lock, you're going to 100% need to reset your phone. 2 things to remember. Number 1, it will erase everything. All photos, apps, everything will be erased except for security. So if you turned on your Wiko with your Google or Gmail account, you will 100% still need your Google or Gmail account to log back in even after the factory resets. So if you're ready to go, let's get started. All right, we need to start with the device powered off, power off, power off. It takes a few seconds. Now, the screen's going to turn off. We're going to wait for the vibration. Let's see if you can hear the vibration. There it is, vibrated. So it needs to be all the way off, otherwise you start pushing the buttons and nothing will happen. So to reset this phone, we're going to hold volume up and power at the same time. Volume up first, then power. And we're looking at about a 10-second wait, so get comfortable, keep holding. We're waiting for a little white menu to show up in the center of the screen right there. Let go with both fingers. All right, now we're going to use volume keys to scroll to the recovery mode. So volume up, recovery mode. Don't push volume down to scroll down. Scrolling down is with volume down is okay. Volume down is okay, not power. Nothing happens with power. So volume down is going to be okay. Now when you do that, we're going to wait another few more seconds and we'll get to the fallen Android no command. When you get to the fallen Android no command, we have another button combination. We're going to hold down power and only quick touch volume up one time. Watch. Hold down power, quick touch volume up. That brings up the Android recovery menu. Now again, with volume keys, we're going to scroll down, highlight wipe data factory reset right there. Press power for OK. And there is the message. Wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And I'll remind you again that you still 100% need your Google or Gmail account to log back in, even after the factory reset. We scroll down, we're going to press power for OK, and your phone might take anywhere from a few minutes, and this was just a few seconds to get the data wipe is complete message. Now it is safe to reboot the system. You can press power for OK. Hey, this video or this link right here is a free download for a worksheet to help you or your grandparents or your kids always remember your PIN, pattern, or password so you never have to do this again and lose important information. Hey, if this has helped you, please like, please subscribe. Thank you for watching.